I'm tired of not having any flavor in my life. I don't get to suck on anything that gives me...
Well, then... go on a date with a black man. I don't know. Ow! What is going on, everybody? It is your boy, Evan Jones, coming at you, well, with another rib recipe. I figure, well, seeing how it's my turn to do dinner, got some more ribs, so figured do another rib recipe. And going again with my crazy concoctions, going to be doing, I don't know what I would call these ribs, but I'm going to mix barbecue sauces together to make my own barbecue sauce. It's going to be weird. I already know this, but like most of my ribs that I make, they are delicious. So, without further ado, let us mix the barbecue sauce first. Okay, first up, let's get the ingredients. So first off, you need something to mix it in with. Got that. We're going to be using hoisin sauce, some Heinz Hawaiian Sweet and Smoky, honey, some Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire to add a little bit of spice to it. And yes, a ramen beef flavoring pack. I know, it's weird. But also some kosher salt, along with some pepper. And some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. So we're going to mix these together, and then we go to the ribs. Alrighty, here is the end result of the new concocted barbecue sauce. Actually kind of nice and thick. So, put that away for now. Okay, for the dry rub, we are going to need a container. We got onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, meat tenderizer, Old Bay seasoning. Saw this on the shelf and figured I'd get some of it. Tudgens, I think it's called. Meh, I saw it. It had lime. Figured I'll try some of it. Of course, salt. Well, kosher salt and pepper. And let us mix all those together. Now, we have our ribs, nice, tender, meaty. But we need to do something with it first. So, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be cutting it first. So, we need something for the rub to, stick onto, other than, the wet meat. So, let us get started. First, some olive oil. Just lather it up on that. Teriyaki sauce. some Worcestershire sauce, and some soy sauce. And then the final special ingredient, fish sauce. This gives a little bit of flavor. You know my favorite part? Oh yes, we rub it. Yes. Rub that meat. And you make sure you get into the little crevices. Yes. Yes. Well, alright, now that I'm done molesting the ribs, I need to wash my hands, and yeah, we'll be back with the rub. Okay, we are back. Now we are to put the rub on the meat. And of course, we rub the meat. I'm just trying to get everything in the little nooks and crannies. Alright, now that I'm done fondling the meat again, I need to wash my hands once again. Okay, let's see here. We hit bake. Get down to 300 degrees. So, preheat to 300 degrees. And we wait for 5 minutes, or 6. Alrighty, now we cover this bad boy up with tinfoil. Alrighty, so now put it in the oven. And we drop it like my ex-crazy girlfriend. Now, set the timer for, let's go ahead and go down, because we'll be cooking it for 3 hours. There we go. So, 2 hours and 40 minutes. And in when that's done, we'll cover it up with barbecue sauce, because the barbecue sauce has alcohol in it. So we're going to need to burn the alcohol. Because, you know, family dinner. So you want barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Are you planning on not going to work tomorrow?
No. I am planning on going to work tomorrow and the next day. I'm tired of not having any flavor in my life. I don't get to suck on anything that gives me...
Well then, go on a date with a black man, I don't know. Ow!
How long do they have to go back in for?
About 15, 20 minutes.